Did you kill the turkey? Did the turkey kill you? So what did kill you?
That can kill me.
Oh yeah? Tell me about it. What happened?
What that?
What's what? The dishwasher?
No.
The microwave? I thought you were telling I thought you were telling me a story. What happened when the dragon killed you?
That can kill me last night. That's on my head.
Oh really?
Turkey kill me again. That can kill me.
Oh yeah?
That can kill me last night.
Okay, how did the dragon kill you?
Because see.
In a minute.
When
Show me what the dragon did.
that can kill my head, I said.
Oh, okay. But you showed it to me a little bit ago, and I wanted to see it again.
Yeah.
Like this?
No.
No? How was it?
My back on my head.
Oh. You didn't try and kill the dragon with your sword?
I killed that dragon, I said.
No, you said the dragon killed you.
No.
Okay.
That dragon kill me. That dragon not kill me first. I killed that dragon first.
Oh, how?
Go away.
Did you kick it?
Yep.
Yep.
Go away now.
Okay.
I said, I get the face.
You kicked it in the face?
Yep.
Awesome. Was that the end of the story?
Yep.
All right. Thanks for telling me again.
Me.